Okay, I don't know who needs to hear this, but keep going. Growth is a slow progress. Sometimes it feels like nothing is changing at all. But if you keep going, it will start to happen. I've been trying to get better at FPV flying for a while now. And today, after 44 days of trial and error, I finally managed to complete a full race. And even got my first bronze medal. So whatever you are working on right now, keep going. Be patient, because in the end, it will all be worth it. Good luck.